For cows lived in a green forest where the grass was soft and sweet, and the morning mist looked like silver ribbon. They were best friends, and they liked to walk, nibble, and rest together under the same wide tree. Each cow had a different color patch and a different little habit. One liked to hum while she ate. One always noticed the tastiest clover. One loved to watch butterflies. One remembered the safest paths through the woods. Even so, they moved as one gentle herd, and that made them feel calm and secure. Near their meadow lived a tiger with bright eyes and quiet paws. He often watched the forest animals from far away, wondering why the cows always seemed so peaceful. One day, the cows began to grumble about where to graze. One wanted the sunny hill. One wanted the cool pond. One wanted the ferny valley. One wanted the sweet grass near the old stones. They forgot how nicely they had worked together before. So, with polite but stubborn mooing, they each wandered in a different direction. The tiger saw the cows spread out, and he thought, how lonely they look when they are apart. I can no longer hide behind their togetherness. He tiptoed from bush to bush, but the forest was no longer cheerful for the cows. One cow missed the others and looked up. Another cow noticed the tiger's shadow. A third cow heard a warning chirp from a nearby bird. Very quickly, they realized what had happened. Then the cow who remembered the safe paths called out in her calmest voice. The others answered at once. They came back together beneath the wide tree, side by side, shoulder to shoulder, as snug as stones in a little wall. The tiger stopped and blinked. He could see that 4 friends were much harder to frighten than one lonely cow. He did not want any trouble with a group that stood so peacefully and so firmly together, so he turned away and left the meadow quiet once more.